Paano po natin mabibuild yung ating pananampalataya sa Panginoon? Pag hindi po natin na-build yung ating pananampalataya sa Panginoon, alam niyo po mga kapatid, hindi po mabibuild yung faith natin. And sometimes, ang ginagawa ng Lord sa atin is that He allow us in the situation that we don't know how to escape or how to make solution so that you can understand, but through faith in Him, makikita mo na lumalago ka spiritually. Kasi minsan kasi, ang hirap makita na tayo lumalago when we have everything in our environment. When we can do something about it. Pero anong ginagawa ng Lord sa atin? There is really a specific situation na kahit yung pera mo, na kahit yung kapangyarihan mo, na kahit yung influence mo, walang magagawa. Only God can do that. Ano sinasabi ng Lord sa'yo? See? You have limitations and I have none. See? Your money can do about it, pero ako kaya ko. That's the reality. Kaya nabibuild yung pananampalataya natin because in reality, we cannot grasp everything.